Namaste, मेरा नाम तोमोकी है. I finally changed the name of this channel to Masala Ninja. I'm going to be like a ninja influenced by Indian culture. Today, I'm going to compare the rush hour between Japan and India. You know, Japan has world's most crowded train, especially capital city of Tokyo. Actually, I'm living in Tokyo and I'm so exhausted with the train on weekdays. I also know the country which has the world's most crowded train. That is India. So let's know the difference in rush hour between Japan and India. Let's go. Oh, the station staff is trying to push the passengers, and he's still trying to push, and another station staff is coming and push very strongly, and another guy has come and I think the station staff is their attitude is very polite, like, may I push you? But what they are doing is very aggressive because they are pushing strongly. It's like sports. They finally close the doors. Yeah, this is actually a Japanese normal weekday life. Oh, so many people are on the platform. Are they waiting for the train? Oh, the train just come. Oh, a lot of people are trying to come into the train, and I think they're fighting. They're fighting, and this is like a war. It's like a World War III. Oh, I think the yellow guy trying to climb to the roof. I think unbelievable. Oh, the train is leaving. I think people are still outside of the train. And some people are on the roof. Unbelievable. I think this is actually out of my imagination. People are so aggressive. I respect their kind of like vitality. In conclusion, rush hour in Japan, there are a lot of station attendants who push passengers strongly. Both passengers and station attendants are very polite and calm, but I think they feel so much stress. Rush hour in India, there is no station attendant, so people have to fight to get into the train. They look much more aggressive than Japanese, but I think they feel much more sense of victory. Yeah! Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like this channel, please subscribe me. Per mirenge.